Alright guys, we're back to the May challenge and now we're on Waterfalls. So this is a May challenge, it's not a daily challenge, it's a May league actually. Right, and it looks like we can't move around, which is interesting. So these people look kind of European, I would say. Yeah, this woman's got the French flag in her hair. Could it be? I'm not sure. This is definitely, could be a Swedish kid. In fact, this could be Norway. Let's look at these people. Yeah, there's a lot of blonde kids and a redhead here. And these guys are more touristy. Let's see if I can see any branding. I don't think so. So I don't think it's South America. I think we're in Europe. Could be Iceland. But then I think there's too much green. So I think I'm gonna go with Norway. Yeah, it's very hard because I can't move around at all. At least I don't think you can. So it's gonna be interesting to see how. There's an asterisk there. I wonder what that is for. I hope there's not like an indication as to it only being in Europe. Yeah, but I'm gonna go somewhere Norway, somewhere in the south, close to the south, perhaps one of these national parks. Hardanger. Let's see. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, I think that's quite alright. Now, this one, Brazil could be. Wow, this is magnificent, really. It's not the Niagara Falls. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna include the Niagara Falls here. Wow, this guy's crazy. Wow. Alright, let's see, where can we go? Just along the edge here. This is very interesting. There's just a certain amount of spots where you can be. Yeah, I would definitely say this is South America. Where is it going to go? Yeah, I think there's just a limited amount of spots you can go to. Yeah, so South America. Looks like a jungle around, right? It could be the Amazon rainforest. It's hard to say, really, but I'm gonna go somewhere up here, anyways. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, well, that's not the Amazon River itself, is it? Could be further, like it could be Peru, to be honest. Yeah, you know, like somewhat close to the source of the Amazon. It's possible. It's hard to say, really. Let's go there. Alright, so we were actually in Guyana. 593 points, not very good. Alright, once again we can't move around. This woman looks Asian. Could be Native American. Yeah, quality is not very good, but these people, they kind of dress like Americans, I have to say. You know, the hats. Yeah, I'm not sure what makes me feel that way. This person's got very dark hair. It could be one of the national parks in the US, perhaps. Although those people do look fairly tanned. In fact, they don't look very American at all. So it's quite likely that these people are just tourists. Besides, I can't see their actual faces or skin properly. What do the surroundings tell me? I mean, it could be the Rockies, but then... Yeah, maybe close to the Mexican border. I really don't know. Yeah, I haven't got much to go on. I'm gonna say it's the US, Arizona perhaps. Yeah, I'm not sure. Down here maybe. Alright, we weren't far off at all. It was actually Arizona. Wow, that's pretty lucky, I suppose. Alright then, Vietnam, right? Has to be. Is that a Vietnamese flag? I think it is. Vietnamese flag. Is that the one with the yellow star? I think it is. Could this be near the Mekong River?
I didn't catch
Oh,
that.
fuck me.
Could you try again?
That scared the shit out of me. Fuck, you know.
I don't know how to respond to that.
I don't recall saying Siri. Yeah, I'm gonna assume this is Vietnam. So yeah, I'm gonna say up here somewhere close to the Mekong. You know, yeah, maybe something like this. Yeah, it wasn't too far off. And it is actually, does it run into the Mekong? No, it's a different river. It might eventually join the Mekong, but it doesn't look like it, no. Alright, last one then. We're at 13,261, and now this one, yeah, I can see this being the Niagara Falls. We've got a Canadian flag. There's just so many tourists. Welcome Center. Alright, where are the Niagara Falls? Are they close to... yeah, they're up here, right? Niagara Falls. Is it somewhere over here? Is that possible? I think it's possible, but I didn't know there was... Yeah, Marriott, Tower Hotel, Skyland Tower, might be that one, right? Is there a little island? Yeah, there's that bridge, right? It's that one, the Rainbow International Bridge. Has to be this one. Alright. Yeah, probably could have gotten a little bit better there, but yeah, look, 18,259. Most of the guesses were actually quite alright. Current leader here. Yeah, I think that wasn't bad.